Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day. Welcome back to my video. This is part 4 of constructing a bar chart. So in previous video, we already looked at how to adjust the limit, how to adjust input text into the bar, and adjust the width of the bar. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to adjust the alignment of title, elements, and others others character by using theme function. So we're going to look at theme function. We can use question mark theme to look at the documentation for theme, where theme is to modify component of the theme. There are a lot of argument available in the theme, such as line, react, text, title, as is tick, and so on. So we can adjust the characteristic, the element of the graph by using the argument available in the theme function. And of course, each theme we need to specify the element that we want to adjust, such as element blank, crop, line, rect, render, or text. So I'm not going to show everything, but I just want to introduce to you some of the element. For example, I want to adjust the title, I want to adjust the background, panel background, as-is title, legend position, and so on. For example, let's say I'm using this codes as I already done it before, right? This is by using pgmin, right? So this is the same thing. I just using the palette poor direction -1, and then I'm using the text function. I think I'm going to adjust the value that I want to input, maybe 2, right? So it should be okay. Now I want to adjust the theme. For example, I just need to put theme, right? So I want to adjust, first thing I want to adjust is the title. So if you notice, the title always to the left. So we want to make the title on center. So I'm going to use plot title function in theme function. So I'm going to adjust the text, means I'm going to use element text. So adjust to adjust the center of the horizontal position of the horizontal, right? So it become horizontal already. So if you adjust to 0.9, it should be on to the right. So I want it to be on center, should be 0.5. And of course I can adjust the family style, means the font style, serif, right? So to know that how many font style that R have, maybe we can put names, PDF fonts, right? And we can see names, PDF font. We can see the style available in the R environment. So I'm going to use serif. Where is serif? Somewhere. This is the first one. We also have Times New Roman and so on. So I like to use serif. So next I can also adjust the face. Maybe I want to make it bold, right? And then I'm going to increase the size to 14, right? So this is the element that I can adjust in plot title. So if I want to adjust the plot background, so I want background of the graph to be blank. So I'm going to be element blank. So it should be blank background. So if the panel by default is a gray color, so I'm going to remove the panel background as well. So I'm going to use element blank. So it should be blank color. So let's say I want to add a grid, panel grid, right? Maybe on the y-axis I want to add some grid line. So we're going to use panel grid measure y. so it should be. So since this one I want to add line, so I'm going to use element line. So element line, I'm going to using the color, let's say I'm using gray color, right? So it should be gray color, and then I can adjust the line type. So maybe line type I'm going to use 2, should be dot dot dash maybe. So this is also same as LTY argument in base R. So let's say I want to adjust exist title X. For exist title X, I want to adjust. Maybe I want to increase, put some colors and change this family size, set family font and so on. So I'm going to use element text. So this one should be color. I'm going to use color. Maybe I'm going to use this color, right? So I'm going to input this color, family equal to serif, and then I'm going to increase the size equal to 10. So title is 14, size for text should be 10 or 12 lah, right? 12. And then I can add for exist title Y, right? I can copy all the element that I already defined because I want it to be the same, so it should be the same, right? So okay, next I can also input legend dot position. So maybe I want to remove the legend because I already know this is a control group, treatment group 1, treatment group 2, or you can adjust it by using bottom, right, top, left, and none, right? So if you change it to bottom, it will put it at bottom. If you put it as top, it will put at top of the graph. So I don't want the legend in this graph, so I'm going to remove the legend, right? So maybe I don't want the exist line, right? I don't want the exist line for X exist, so I can add another argument. So this one should be maybe exist dot line dot X. So this one going to be element blank. I don't want the line, and this one should be removed already. So let's say exist dot line dot Y. Maybe I want it to draw a line, element line type should be equal to 3 maybe, right? So it will produce a line type. Maybe this is yep. So you need to carefully write the code, right? So this is the element line for Y exists, right? So this is very simple. So you can explore more on the theme, right? So next is to make horizontal bar chart. So unlike construction of bar chart in base package, in base package when we specify we want it to be horizontal, so we need to change X lab and Y lab. But for ggplot, we don't need to specify, we just need to use coordinate flip. So coordinate flip, open and close bracket, it will change it accordingly lah. Okay, I think that's all for part 4 and of part 4, right? So we will continue our video on part 5, where we want to look at cluster bar chart and stack bar chart. Alright, stay tuned on the next video. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.